Students, today we are going to discuss about the classification of amines in nitrogen containing compound unit. Then we goes on the IUPAC naming section. So first we discussed about the classification of amines. We classified amines by a given chart. According to the conjugation of alkyl or aryl groups, they are classified into categories named alkylamines and arylamines. Also called aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Aliphatic and aromatic amines. Then aliphatic amines are classified in three categories named primary amines, also called 1 degree amines. Then secondary amines, are 2 degree amines. And third one is known as tertiary amines, are called 3 degree amines. This is the classification chart of amines. Now we discussed about the definition of alkyl amines, then their parts, primary, secondary and tertiary amines, because these are most essential and important for your exam. So first one is known as alkylamine, also called aliphatic amines. A definition: the alkyl derivatives of ammonia are known as alkylamines. They are classified in three categories. Part 1 is known as primary amines, are 1 degree amines. What are primary amines? Then we say that the single hydrogen atom of ammonia molecule is subtracted by a alkyl group. Then product are known as primary amines. Its formula is RNH2. For example, H single bond N, single bond H, single bond H. A single hydrogen atom of ammonia molecule is replaced by methyl, then it makes CH3, single bond N and single bond N and H to form CH3NH2. For second example, H single bond N, single bond H, single bond H. Single hydrogen atom is replaced by ethyl group. Then it makes C2H5 N H and H. Formula is C2H5NH. It is named methylamine and ethylamine. These are the simple names of amines. And this category is known as 1 degree type of amines. Now for secondary amines, are 2 degree amines. It says that when 2 hydrogen atom of ammonia molecule are subtracted by alkyl group, then product is known as secondary amines. So R single bond N single bond R and H. For example, H single bond N single bond H, the hydrogen atoms are subtracted by methyl. Then formula is CH3 single bond N and CH3H. It is called dimethylamine and also belong to the category of 2 degree. For example, H single bond N single bond H plus twice C2H5 subtracted by twice hydrogen. Then it makes C2H5N and C2H5 and single bond H. This formula is known as diethylamine. Both are the category of secondary amines are 2 degree amines. Now last category is known as tertiary amines. Are 3 degree amines. Then we say that when 3 hydrogen atoms of ammonia molecules are subtracted by alkyl group, then product is known as 3 degree amines. R single bond N single bond R, also named trialkyl amine. R3N is the common formula of this. For example, H single bond N and H replaced by twice methyl group to make CH3 single bond N, single bond CH3 and single bond CH3. Now for second example, H single bond N and single bond H and H plus thrice C2H5 replace 3 hydrogen atoms to form C2H5 single bond N, single bond C2H5 and C2H5. It is the formula of triethylamine and trimethylamine. Both are belong to the category of tertiary amines. So it is in the classification category of alkyl amines. Now we discussed about for aryl amines. Students, you know that aryl amines are also called aromatic amines because in it aromatic group is present. So we define it. The aryl derivative of ammonia are known as aryl amines. For example, the subtraction of hydrogen atom by aryl, then product is known as aryl amine. Ar single bond N, single bond H and single bond H. Its the simple formula is Ar NH2. For example, H single bond N, single bond H and single bond H. The single hydrogen atom is replaced by phenyl group C6CH5. Then it makes C6H5, single bond N and single bond. The formula is C6H5NH2. It is named phenylamine or benzylamine, and in the industrial way we say that aniline. Its structural formula is NH2 in the case of aniline. It is also a study product for you. So we completed here the classification of amines. Now we discussed about how can we name for the basis of their IUPAC. So we discussed about the IUPAC of amines. Students, we use two type of names for amines products, like as the methylamine and ethylamine. CH3NH2, C2H5NH2 is nominated by their simple method named methylamine and ethylamine. But when we discussed about the IUPAC naming of amines, then we use a simple trick or a simple fundamental formula is given here. First we nominated alkanes. So alkane, and we removed the last letter E from alkanes and add here amine. It is the name of functional NH2, because an organic compounds have NH2 group are known as amines. So its name is alkanamine. It is the IUPAC name of amines. Another way, we give also a simple filter. First you count the carbon series in the given formula. So name of carbon by the basis of carbon number in compound. Then after carbon name we add the bond suffix. Bond suffix name. Then at last we add the functional group name amine. Here two ways for the IUPAC naming of amines. Now we take some examples and make their IUPAC names. Like as CH3NH2. In this compound only one carbon atom is present. So its carbon name is male, and each valency of carbon is satisfied by single bond. Then suffix of single bond is ane. So its carbon name with bond suffix is methane. It belongs to the category of alkanes. We provide you a funda. The last letter E of alkanes is removed by their functional group amine. So here we remove its E and add amine. Then it is known as methanamine, but its simple name is known as methylamine. and its IUPAC name is known as methenamine. For second example, C2H5NH2 or also we write it CH3CH2NH2. Here two carbon atoms are available. We allotted their numbers because the functional group is here in right side. So nearest functional group, it is their numbers 1 and 2. Two carbon named 8. All carbons are balanced by single bonds. So aim, this makes the category of alkane. We remove the last letter of this alkane and add amine. Then it is known as ethenamine. Now third, CH3, CH2, CH2 and NH2. First we allotted the number of carbon 1, 2 and 3. Here 3 carbon series is available. Then 3 carbon series named Pro. All carbons are balanced by single bond. Then we add their suffix, bond suffix "ane" and remove the last letter E from alkane and add their functional group amine. Then it is known as propanamine. So students, this is the trick for their IUPAC name: methenamine, ethenamine and propanamine. Now we give you some other examples you make in their notebooks. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and NH2. CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and NH2. And last one is CH3, CH2, CH2 and NH2. You make the IUPAC names of given amine compounds. And we also discussed about the formation methods of amines in next class, and start your study compounds in amines, brief their figures and their chemical reactions.